Have you ever wondered what makes the owl such a mysterious and effective hunter? Imagine a creature that can glide through the forest without making a single sound, its eyes piercing the darkest night. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the owl, the undisputed silent sovereign of the nocturnal realm. What's the secret behind their stealth? It all starts with their incredible wings. Unlike other birds, an owl's feathers have a unique, comb-like edge that breaks up the turbulence of air flowing over them. This design muffles the flapping sound, turning them into feathered ghosts. Their prey, often a mouse scurrying on the forest floor, has no more idea what's coming until it's too late. It's the ultimate evolutionary advantage for a predator that relies on surprise. Now, let's talk about their legendary eyesight. An owl's eyes are not actually eyeballs. They're more like long tubes held in place by bony structures. This shape allows for a massive pupil and the retina, which can gather every last bit of available light. In conditions that would seem like total blackness to us, an owl can spot the faintest movement. But this incredible vision comes with a trade-off. Because their eyes are fixed in their sockets, they can't glance from side to side like we can. And that's where another of their famous features comes into play. You've probably seen it in movies or documentaries, the owl's almost supernatural head turn. An owl has extra vertebrae in its neck, giving it the astonishing ability to rotate its head up to 270 degrees. That's 3/4 of a full circle. This allows them to scan their entire surroundings for predators and the prey without moving their body an inch. It's a breathtaking adaptation that compensates perfectly for their fixed eyes, giving them a nearly 360-degree field of view. But sight isn't their only super sense. An owl's hearing is just as phenomenal. Their faces are shaped like a satellite dish, a feature called the facial disc. This disc funnels sound waves directly to their ears, which are asymmetrically placed on their head. One ear is slightly higher than the other. This tiny difference allows them to pinpoint the exact location of a sound in 3 dimensions: left, right, up, and down. They can hear a mouse rustling under a thick layer of snow and know precisely where to strike. So what's on the menu for these silent hunters? Owls are nature's pest control experts. Their diet mainly consists of rodents like mice and voles, as well as large insects, and sometimes even other small animals. By keeping these populations in check, owls play a vital role in maintaining the health and the balance of their ecosystems. For farmers, a resident owl is a welcome friend, helping to protect crops from being devoured by pests, all without the need for chemical pesticides. Beyond their physical prowess, owls have captivated human imagination for centuries. In many cultures, they are seen as symbols of wisdom, patience, and knowledge. Think of the wise old owl in countless stories. This association likely comes from their calm, observant demeanor and their seemingly all-knowing eyes. They represent the quiet intelligence that comes from observing the world with patience and precision. In other traditions, their nocturnal habits have linked them to mystery and the unknown, guardians of the night's secrets. From their silent flight and night vision to their incredible hearing and flexible necks, every part of the owl is a masterpiece of natural engineering. They are a perfect example of how evolution shapes a creature to thrive in its specific environment. They are not just birds. They are silent hunters, ecological regulators, and the enduring symbols of the wild. The next time you hear a distant hoot in the quiet of the night, remember the extraordinary creature. It belongs to a true master of its domain. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey into the world of the owl. If you found this as fascinating as I do, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. See you in the next video.